Hey guys, what's going on? This is John from Friends of Your Benefits. You may have seen our earlier video where we went over how to sign up for Amazon PillPack. Well, today I got my first PillPack in, and we're going to show you what it looks like, and we'll give you an overview on where you need to go and what you need to know before you sign up for Amazon PillPack. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this. So a little bit about my background. So a few years ago, I found out that due to an early childhood illness, I happen to have low potassium and low magnesium. And twice a year, I see a nephrologist, and the nephrologist prescribes me several medications. I take a diuretic, and I take a potassium supplement and a magnesium supplement, and I have to take these multiple times a day in order to get my baseline numbers where they need to be. So this has been challenging, right? Because with the potassium pills, I need to take 5 of them a day. With the magnesium, it's 4 a day. And then I take 2 diuretics in the morning. So it's definitely, especially with kids, it's definitely challenging to keep track of when I take the pills. I've tried organizing them in a pill sorter, but every Sunday it takes a lot of time. And then candidly, there's the opportunity for human error, right? Like what if I accidentally forget to put a pill in or put one too many? I find that I'm questioning myself, right? And did I actually take the right medication at the right time? And, my general method has been, okay, if I'm unsure, I'll skip a dose because I feel that skipping a dose is better than the alternative where I potentially overdose from taking too much of the medication and get an upset stomach. So recently I came across Amazon's PillPack program, and basically how Amazon's PillPack program works, you go on the website, you sign up for it, and based upon your eligible maintenance medications, they will send you a box that looks something like this in the mail with your medications. And then literally every day you open it up, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do today at 12. You tear it, and I take my 12 o'clock medicine, right? So in this particular packet, I have my 1 magnesium supplement, and simply I'm going to rip it. I'm going to take it out. So see, it's right here in my hand. I'm going to take it. And it's simple, right? It's very organized. I don't really need to think about it. So now let's go to the Amazon website, and we'll show you how to navigate over to Amazon Pharmacy. And if you're interested, sign up for PillPack.
Okay, so the first thing that we need to do to sign up for PillPack is to open the Amazon app. We do that, and then on top we type in Amazon Pharmacy. It's going to ask us to sign up or sign in. We click that button. We will go through the verification process. And now on top, now that we are within Amazon Pharmacy, we type in PillPack. And on top it says, "Hello PillPack, goodbye sorting meds," which is our ultimate goal. We click the icon. And now in the middle of the page, we are going to click sign up for PillPack. Below that it says all your meds in convenient packets. Service and delivery are free, which is key. Automatic refills every 30 days, and you can speak with a pharmacist 24/7. So we click sign up, and we are going to select our 2 medications. So 2 of my medications are eligible for PillPack. My potassium supplement, unfortunately, is not eligible for PillPack, so I'll need to continue to do that outside of PillPack. We click add 2 meds to PillPack. Once we do that, it says review and finish signing up for your PillPack. Just note that PillPack is not child resistant. I have to acknowledge this by checking the box that said I request packaging that is not child resistant. And at the bottom, I'm going to click the big orange button that says finish signing up for your PillPack. And that's it. Congratulations, I'm all signed up for PillPack.
So now that I got my first PillPack and I've been taking it for about 2 weeks, here's my overall feedback. So I really like the tear and go packets. It's very easy to keep track of, as I mentioned before. and it really takes the thought process out of it. It's really just making sure that I take them as opposed to did I take the right dose. One thing that I didn't like about PillPack is that for whatever reason, my potassium supplements are not eligible for the program. I mean, these pills are quite big, so I have to manage them outside of it. So I still put them in the overall pill organizer. So I'm hoping in the near future, Amazon PillPack decides to add the potassium supplements. So that's one negative aspect where potentially not all your maintenance medications will be eligible for the program. I also found that it was really nice that Amazon doesn't charge extra for this. I think from their perspective, it's probably a little bit more cost efficient as opposed to putting things in these bigger plastic bottles. And I found that the overall price of the program was definitely affordable. By not charging me extra for it and just organizing it, I found that that was huge value add. And I did like with the overall Amazon pharmacy experience, they do accept insurance, but they are very transparent where they will show you the cash price versus the insurance price. And sometimes, lo and behold, you'll find out that the cash price is cheaper than the insurance route. Now, we want to hear from you guys. Have you given PillPack a try? And if you did, what was your overall experience like? Comment.